YouTube recently rolled out a major Shorts update that lets viewers enable the clear screen mode. This update will let you temporarily hide all the UI buttons and text overlay for all distraction-free viewing experience. And to enable that, you need to make sure you're logged into your YouTube account, just like me here. Find a short, let's say this right here, tap on it. Once you're here, simply just tap the three dots at the very top right to bring up the video controls. So go ahead and tap onto those three dots right there. Once you're here, select the clear screen option. So just tap onto the clear screen option right there. Notice all the icons, captions, and descriptions vanish. You can finally watch your short unbothered with the UI buttons. Again, you can fast forward your short by simply just clicking to fast it forward. You can also pull down to lock to X speed. That's it for today, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.